guys, what's up, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Velvet, and today I have a cool video for you guys. You guys get to listen to the music that I'm listening to while I'm doing my music. Jesus Christ. While I'm doing my makeup. Sorry guys. So while I get ready, do this simple pink look. I do a lot of pink on my channel, but that's neither here nor there. Whatever. One day I'll figure out another color to do besides pink or purple. But right now that ain't it. So yeah, let's get to the video. Shouldn't have happened, I know I messed up. Just to feel close to you. Oh, you. I didn't really break your heart. Was it on my fault? If you don't knock it off, you know, like I know where this was headed. Yeah. I started as a love song. 24 years in the making.
I done made sacrifices. So many sacrifices. What you telling me? I sense the jealousy, I got telepathy, I got the recipe, I got the streets and I don't got no felony. Forward thinking, yeah, my mind is ahead of me. Yeah, I cut the shit, drama out my energy, focus on it, inner me, never on it, enemy. On the dime, my wrist a undone, yeah, Gucci Python, yeah, she play with her tongue, yeah, I bought that new charm, let nigga pop on, I told her come see, come on, come see, that devil head into my soul. Left hand, got 3 rings, that's brum brum, we up one, bad, she a savage, take her to the mall and buy something. That's gonna wanna make your friends come. I made this one for your girlfriend. This one for your girlfriend. Oh, you don't need no money tonight. You just need to ride with me tonight. What you need, and I'll give it to you. You just need me, girl. Cause when we kiss, the moment after, I looked at you different. You're crazy, baby. It's over you. Yeah. See this through my eyes. I need to be the only one. Yeah, 'cause I love you. Say it. I know that you feel it, but I know before that you knew. Don't matter anymore. I trust you. I take you out. Enjoy the night. Out on the top. I know you can feel. All eyes are on you. I think they all wanna feel of this chemistry that we share between us. Girl, it's only for the sake of your love. I can do it with no effort. Shoes to the J. What's up, a little rock? 50 rounds in that top. On purpose, yeah, and you don't feel no way. You think I deserve it?
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you give me a big thumbs up, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notifications. Hit that bell button, okay? Turn on your notifications so you get notified every single time that I upload a video. So the lip gloss I'm wearing, if you guys don't know, is the Alyssa Ashley e.l.f. collaboration. It is in the colored Nade. What am I saying? It is in the color Nude Rose. It is so pretty. It's like, you know, a nude, obviously. A little pinky nude. It's cute. It's real cute. Whatever. But when I got this, I got 4 of them. They are now sold out, so you can't get them anymore, but I will be giving away 2 of them to 2 lucky people. I have them right here. So to win this, all you have to do is be subscribed and comment your favorite color down below in the comments. And then, you know, I'll pick the winners closer to Valentine's Day. I believe I will be picking the winners. Really don't want this to go on for too long, so yeah. But thank you all so much for watching my video.